Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can install Rosemary font on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings, scroll down a bit and tap on display. Now you need to scroll down again, choose font style and size and style, go into font style and tap on download fonts. Following that, you need to click on this little icon next to Rosemary 1 and wait. And now, as you can see when I go back, my font is over here. If you wish to apply it, just tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!